Hi guys, well, my first question for you today is, have you watched the Numberblocks video that we've left on the plan for you guys to watch today? If you have, fab, we're going to carry on. If you haven't yet, my main piece of advice is pause me, go and find the link for our video that we need you to watch today, and then come back. Do you think we can manage that? I think we can. Okay. When you've watched me, or if you have already watched that video, we can carry on. Now, I wonder if you can tell me what you noticed in that video. There was lots of different parts of the Numberblocks videos all joined together, but it was really, really interesting. I wonder if you can tell me, each number that we had, did anybody notice that it can be split into two smaller number blocks? Did anybody notice that? You did. Excellent. I'm pleased if you did. And if you didn't, you can go back and watch it and see if you noticed when it's split into two different number blocks, or we'll do it together now. So we are looking today, we're carrying on looking at thinking about numbers more and less than, but mostly we're going to be thinking about how one number can be split into two smaller numbers, just like in the video you watched. So let's start with a really tricky question. And I think it's the trickiest one of all today. I wonder if I show you number block 1, number block 2, number block 3, and 4, and 5. Which of these number blocks can't be split into two smaller number blocks? Which one can I not split up? I can break 5 into two different bits. Yep, I can do 5. I think I can even split up number 4. Can I split up number 3? Yeah, I actually can. How about number block 2? Can I split him up? Yes, I can. How about number block 1? No, I can't. I cannot split number block number 1 up. It is just him. He can't do much at all. He is very simply just 1. 1 is 1 block. We can't split him into 2 blocks because we'd break him in half and he'd be very sad. Now, if number 1 can't be split, let's have a look at number 2. Have a think. 1 can't be split. But look what happens if I break up number block number 2. Can anyone tell me what happens when I've split him up? What do I have? I had 1, 2. Now I've got 2 1s. I've got 2 1s. 1, 2, 2 1s that go together to make 1 number 2. Look at that. I can split him up and I can see that 1 add 1 is, let me put them back together. 1 add 1 is 2. I wonder, I'm going to write it on my board. Do you think you could have a go at writing that too? 1 add 1 is the same as 2. 1 add 1 is 2. Well, if I know that number 2 is actually broken down into 1 and 1 is 2, I wonder what happens to number block number 3. Oh, now, number 3. Let's have a look at number 2 as well. Number 3, is it bigger or smaller than number 2? Can you tell me? That's right, it's got 1 more block on, hasn't it? It's a bigger number. I wonder what happens if I break this into 2 groups. Oh, look, I started with a 3. I wonder, I'm going to take that top one off. What have I got now, children? Can you tell me? What is number 3 made up of? Can you see? Can you see what it's made up of, children? It's made up of a 2 and a 1. 2 and a 1 make 3. Can you see that? Let's do it again. 2 and 1 make 3. Let me do it one more time. 2 and 1, put them together, make our number block 3 again. Let's see if we can write that one down. Are you ready? 2 and 1 make 3. Okay, let's see. I'm going to see if I can just change the size of my number 4. Let's have a look. Okay, so I had number block number 3. Oh, I'm showing you 4. Silly me, children. I had number block number 3 last time. This time we're going to look at number 4. Can you see what's different again? They've both got 1, 2, 3 blocks, but number 4 has 1 more on top. They both have 1, 2, 3 blocks each, but number 4 has 1 more to make it 4. Well, I wonder then what will happen if I take that 1 more off. I had 4 children. Let's see what number 4 is split into. Are you ready? Aha! Look at this. Number 4. We can take the top one off. And what do we have? It can be split into what number is this? 1, 2, 3, and a 1. Look at that. 4 is the same as a 3 and a 1 stuck back on. Look, 3 and 1 make, let's just stick him back on. 3 and 1 make 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 and 1 make 4. Let's see if we can write that one down. 3 and 1 make 4. Oh, I wonder if we can do one more in our video today. Are you ready? Okay. So we were looking at number 4. Who's come along to play? It's number block 5. Number block 5. Number block 5 has just come to play. Let's check its number block 5 by counting each cube. 1, count with me. 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, look. They both have 1 cube at the bottom, 2 cubes, 3 cubes, 4 cubes. But number 5 has 1 more. Let's have a look at this number 5 then. What do you think is going to happen when I take the top one of number 5? I had 5. I've taken the top one off, and now I have a, what have I got here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 1. 4 and a 1 make 5. 4 and a 1 make 5. 4 and a 1 make 5. Let's see if I can write that one down as well. 4 and a 1 is the same as a 5. Now, I wonder today, children, whether you can have a go at doing that activity. You might want to use counters, you could use teddies, you could use bits of Lego, you can use cubes if you've got them at home, you can use anything you like. See if you can find out what happens when you take your number and you take 1 off it to see what 2 groups of numbers, what 2 numbers you end up with, just like I've done here. I wonder if you can go all the way to 10. Maybe if you want a real challenge, you can go all the way to 20. I can't wait to see what you get up to on Tapestry today, children. Have a great day. Take care.